Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to replace default volume slider with semicircular volume slider in any Android smartphones. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you whenever we press the volume button. So now you can see the default volume slider, right? So in order to replace this default volume slider with semicircular volume slider, what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as Now Volume. On the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on accept. Click on this install apps. Now just click on this Now Volume slider. Just turn it on. Click on allow. Now move back. Now click on next. Click on grant permission. Click on open settings. Click on this notifications. Turn on this allow notifications. Move back, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on finish. Now you can see the various options here below and you can see the preview how it will look. So just click on this general option. Now you will see here tons of options. You can enable the haptics also. If your Android smartphone supports the haptic modes, then you can enable it and you can click on this overlay settings. So now you can customize the overlay vertical positions. So you can see where you want to place it, overlay size and volume change sensitivity, how much sensitivity. So I'll just keep it as it is. Overlay auto hide durations. So once you're done, click on apply. And if you want this semicircular volume slider on the right side, then you can just turn on this move to the right. And even there is a inward scrolling, and below there are more options like volume number settings, so you can customize and even select the different styles. And once you're done, click on apply. So you can see the preview. You can, and below there are more options. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every options, so you can check out by yourself. So these are the various options you're gonna get inside this general option, and there is a option for colors, haptics and presets also. So now you can see the preview how it will look. So now let me minimize it. So now let me press the volume button. You can see here my default volume slider has been replaced by this semicircular volume slider and it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application named as Now Volume, you can easily replace default volume slider with semicircular volume slider in any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.